It looks like it's gonna be another tough day. Let me put my drawings real quick. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be tough. Hard to tell what's gonna go. I do have all these very interesting levels up here. So, trying to see if I can commit to one direction. At least, I'm thinking that this is a higher probability up here. That's what I'm thinking. Because we do have a naked POC over here. And they see how we ended last week. Right here. We didn't do much. And we kind of steal up. So I'm guessing really is hard to tell. I don't even know if we're gonna go that way or not. All right, so we're doing business above the VWAP. You know, those are the levels. If we go by the levels, we're doing business above the VWAP. This one, which is this dotted lines here that I got. The trend is down, but not right now though. We did rally up a little bit. Trying to see if I can find some divergence. There is some here. There is some divergence here. We justify that up move. I only see it here though. I don't really see it down here. Divergence is divergence, but I'm still waiting. I think we're gonna come up here. We do a couple of things. We have all these levels here: prior range high, overnight high, initial balance high. We also have the pivot point R1 there, and the second deviation is right on it. And having all that together tells me that the higher probability would be over here. You know, again, if we break this, we might have some more momentum, probably make it up here. This son of a bitch is gonna go without me. It is what it is. Again, I usually don't trade the first 10 minutes. So I'm just giving it some time, see what it does. I forgot to check if there's any news, which I'll be on in a second. Okay, so I have no news today. No news. There's news tomorrow at 9:25. It shouldn't be that much. It shouldn't be that complicated. At 9:25, we do have Wednesday. Jesus, we have all day Wednesday. We have 9:45 all the way to 10:30, and then back again at 2:45. We have Thursday, but it's late in the afternoon. It shouldn't affect us. Uh, Friday, first thing in the morning. That's it. So yeah, so we got some news tomorrow at 9:25. Shouldn't be that bad. But then Wednesday we have all day. So Wednesday is going to be very, very interesting. Crazy. It's going to be crazy more than interesting. So there you have it. That was as far as news. Not bad. That was a really good candle. But this right here looks like a mess, and this indicator looks a slightly bit crappy. They're pointing up, but kind of worth it taking it, right? I like it right now. I'll give it a try. See what it does. I'm looking at the value hour low. See how it breaks through all this, and almost to next last day. This is yeah, this is yesterday. I can see how it's doing this, so it's interesting. Might have to take one there. I mean, it does come back around though. This is a lower high, right? By the way. Might be worth thinking a few more. I like it, but oh, there you go. struggling. Yeah, well, these indicators don't look all that good though. That's the problem. They need to look something like this. Then we got volume, but like this, just struggling. No, the indicators suck. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out because these indicators suck. So I don't like it. I mean, I still like it up here, but I would love to see better indicators. I would have showed more patience if it would have started like this and then got crappy like that. I probably would have held it, but the whole thing was crappy from the very beginning, and so that's why I was like, I don't know, this so crappy like that means people are not sure which way they're gonna go, and I don't want to be in that position. I want to be in a position where we all agree it's gonna go, and let's go. It's a good spot to take it again, by the way. But everything's pointing down. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, fuck. That was a good spot. I should have taken that one there. Wow, look at that. Mm. It's a good spot, just not 100% convinced. I don't know. This something about this is a little bit off. Yeah, there's something here, and that's telling me say, hey, get in there. I don't know what it is. I wish I could pinpoint it and tell you what it is, but I don't know what it is. Something telling me we're a little bit off here. Mm. Well, the trend is up though. I mean, trend is up. Not a strong trend up, but slightly bit up. You can shoot up there. This one is really. It's a little bit off. I don't know what it is, but I still think we're gonna get there. That's a problem. This is a slightly bit higher than this one, so we do have a high. See if that does anything. But It's a good sign that it bounced off from there, but I don't know. I don't know. Might be worth it just to give it a try again. Might be. Uh, let's give it a try. Okay, I'll give it a quick try. See. You know, like I said, this value area high was a very strong one. Ah, I moved that a little bit late, but that's all right. I moved it just in case that it did that, but it's okay. Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade at all. I have my hesitations. I don't know why, but this didn't seem correct to me. This didn't seem correct. But again, the trend was up. I had a target over here which I was looking at early in the morning, and you saw me first thing in the morning. I called this area here. So now once I identify an area of potential, then I look for confirmation on the candles and on the indicators. But the indicators, let me put the trace here. Uh, this one finish here. No way. Yeah. So this one over here didn't. If you look at it, the indicators were not all that friendly to me. And look at this dip that it did here. But I figure it would probably take a bounce off of first deviation, and hopefully from there it shoot up, and it did. Because then I have my target there for it. Um, so the moral of the story is that even though the indicators were not 100% favorable, I still had my target. I still had a slightly uptrend, and trend is friend always. And someone when I enter here, it's starting to look positive. At least one of my indicators started to look positive. So that's why I kind of got in that one. I should have, in retrospect, I should have taken. I probably should have even got out here and then give it another try here, see how it went, and probably would have secured more. But it is what it is. Um, I still think possibly right now we might make up here, but we'll see. I am asking for a lot, long way to go, and I love this indicator. This is my no my this is my go-to indicator right here. Not many people use it, but I use it, and it makes me money every single time. You'll notice things in this indicator. First of all, you'll notice the reaction here before it happens over here. Well ahead. Not all the time. Sometimes you take off at the same time and it leaves you behind, but most of the time you'll see the reaction here before you see it here. And sometimes, oh, sorry about that. Sometimes the reaction gets swallowed up over here and doesn't go anywhere. That's when you gotta be careful. If you get in and you see no reaction over there, then get out. That means it can swallow. This is not a bad spot to take it, but my indicators are definitely pointing down. This is not really good for you. Oh, hey, I don't know how to put on the chat on my. I'm using OBS. I don't know how to put. Man, I'm not technologically savvy. I don't know how to put on the messenger like I had it before here, so I can take a look at it just in case somebody text wants to chat. I don't know how to do that. So, so if you texting something, I apologize. I can't see it. Maybe if I go to YouTube on my cell phone. Okay. Okay. Oh. This is a good bounce, really good candle structure. The indicator sign to point up. It's a good place to bounce, a good place to take it. But I don't have a target. Don't have a target. The next target will be over here. The problem is that is between these two levels, which is a good one, but you still have to pass this. And passing this, the second deviation, it's a tough order. It will probably bounce over, come back down, and all this stuff, uh, and we could be doing a lower high here too. By the way, um, I don't see a reason not to take it, but it's just I don't want to go against this bad boy here. Don't, man. I mean, it looks really good. Looks really juicy. You have all this region here, which means there is a lot of stuff here to get run over. But I don't know. I don't know. It looks really juicy. This trade starting to look really juicy. I think we can make it here, but I don't know. Looking good. Might be worth it. Maybe. Like that candle. I really like that candle. I'm telling you, man. I don't know. If I don't take it, I'm gonna kick myself in the ass. Yeah, if I don't take it, I'm gonna put it in 2 seconds too late. I knew I was gonna regret it. Wow, you saw that 2 seconds too late. Wow. 1 minute, so 2 seconds too late. You saw it, right? Let me take some of it out just in case it decides to go down. I don't want to lose too much. But that was crazy. I was eyeballing it. Oh, I got in too late. I should get out before it goes against. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Wow, what a show. You guys saw that. Well, hopefully you did. Wow. I knew I was gonna kick myself if I didn't get in. Let me see, where did I get in? I didn't mean to, man. I literally just put it here, but it got away from me so fast. And see what I mean? That's the type of reaction. That's the type of reaction you guys want when you're taking a trade on NQ, and you think it's gonna go one way. It's the type of reaction you're looking for. You want to get in and you want that explosion and go. Look, and it's exactly this region here that I got. You see this yellow region? This region I put in there long time ago because I thought it was very, very important. I wanted to memorize it. And look, it just broke through all of it in one candle. That means all the stop were here and they just got crossover. Good thing I got out. Good thing I got out. And the reason I got out is because first I'm late. I was way too late and I was asking too much to get up here on one shot. It could, but I got out of it. You know, I still have another chance. It might come over here and then go ahead over there. So crazy shit. Anyway, hopefully you guys learn with that. I mean, that's a learning experience right there for you guys. Wow. Look at that. Might make it up there. It's definitely gonna make it, but let's hold on a little bit. Let's have those candles head down a little bit more. Well, I would just, what's interesting, I was just talking 2 seconds ago how, I didn't have a target, I didn't really like it. To all of a sudden, everything changed in a split second. I said, wait a minute. Oh, I like it. I know I'm going to keep myself in if I don't get in. And you saw it right there how I changed my mind with 1 second to the other. And this is trading. Trading is, you gotta keep an eye on this chart because it could change like that in a blink. It could change. The whole situation could change. Um, and the reason it could change because people are unpredictable, and these are people. Don't get it twisted. These are people. This is hundreds of thousands of people right here just looking at this candle. Hundreds of thousands of people right now just looking at this. So this is people reacting and making decision and being radical and deciding and changing their mind at the same time. So that's why it changes so much. That's why it's the idea of trading is simple, but it's not easy. It's very simple. Either you buy or you sell, but it's not easy. It definitely is not. And by the way, that's not original from me. Somebody else said that, which is 100% valid right now at any point. Now you gotta be careful with a bounce here. Around this level is a good place to take a bounce, but you gotta be careful. Everything has to line up perfectly. Because if not, it could if everything doesn't line up, you could have a complete meltdown all the way down to here and possibly down here, by the way. Um just a liquidity grab before you head back up again. So I would definitely be careful. Well, you gotta be careful all the time, but I'm definitely being extra careful right here. I want to make sure everything is up and up. Is on my is everything is resetting, starting to look up. Gotta be careful. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I love thank you. Love it. Love it. Love it. And this is what I meant, guys. Yeah, we coming back down to this level, and therefore you have to be careful because this could not hold. This might not hold, and didn't it? Because we did all this, we broke out, then we went back, and then we came down to it. At this point, buying a bounce of this is not wise. We can still keep on going down to this level here. That's why I didn't take the buy. I mean the bounce. Didn't. This is a good bounce up from here, but and everything's starting to look up, but I'm still slightly be wary of it. Starting to look good though. But let's give it some time and see. The yellow EMA is about to cross over the green. Could be indication that we're done with the uptrend. Although in the high time frame, we're right on point where we need to be. So take that with a grain of salt. That's why I have different charts. I have this chart right here is a 377, and then I have a high time frame. I have I think it's a 1000. Let me check for you guys. I'll check 1 second. It is a 1000 tick. Sometimes I use a 1000, sometimes I use a 1 hour. I like using the 1000 tick better than the 1 hour. It's just preference. There's nothing to it, really. The 2000 seems a little bit too slow for me. Same with the 1500. I'd rather do the 1000. Sometimes I might go down to 800 if it's not moving fast enough. If they're not moving fast enough, I'll lower my tick chart from 377 to 288, which is my next level. After the 288, I like to go to the 220, and then look at that. You see that? And then the 188, I think it was. The 188, after that one, that is the lowest I'll go, 188. So those are the charts that I go for. A couple years ago, I was using the 450 because it was moving a lot faster. Right now, the market's actually slowed down a lot. It's taking a long time for a good move to happen. So I'm actually considering to dropping the 377 to maybe like 320 or something like that, because to me it's time to get a little bit slow. So I don't, even though this is the chart, my go-to chart right now is this one. It could change. It could definitely change. The way I trade changed too. The way I was trading 3 years ago does not work today. Believe it or not, it doesn't work today. I took a few losses, and then I had to see, after I took a few losses in a row, some of the trade ideas that I had that were not working. I said, wait a minute, what's going on here? And then when I started analyzing my trades, I noticed that the way I was trading doesn't work. It's not working anymore, or at least not as high of probability than I thought. And that's where I came up with this one right now, the way I'm trading today, which is different. If you look at if you go to my channel and you look up some of the old trades, the one with music, I'm not talking, you see me trading differently than the way I'm trading today. Way different. Not that much of a difference, but there is a difference. There is. What I was looking back then, not the same things I'm looking today. And this is, trading is definitely flux. It's moving. It's ever changing. It's always changing. You can't just stay with one. And more than anything, before you get into trades or anything like that, before you raise any real money, go with a prop firm, or even better, just do sim. Just do sim. That's all there is. But if you're gonna go with money, I would suggest you go with a prop firm. Lilu, Lilu has the express one. It's a good like, I forgot how much it is. It's not much, like $70, I think it is, and you can trade, I think, up to 10 contract or something like that. It's been a long time. I don't deal with them, but and you can give it a try. You know, and unless you now, if you're really good, if you want to try some of the little bit more expensive prop firm like Apex, look at that, holy shit. What did I say? Didn't I just say you gotta be careful of this might go all the way down to here? It is what it is. I'm not a genius. I just read this thing. All I do is watch the chart, nothing else. I don't do nothing else. Just watch the chart. The chart tells me where can I expect, or at least have an idea. The reason I didn't take, okay, so if I'm so good, why didn't I take this short here? The reason I didn't take that short is because it could still bounce. So I was waiting to see if we can get a few more candles and go up. Next level would have been here. But if this fell, probably go down here. But again, the trend is up. Trend is friend, and you don't want to go against it. Though sometimes I have gone against it, but it would have to be extremely obvious to me that it was going to go down. Like over here, I'm not, because I still had this trade idea of here. So this was not, I didn't foresee. I did think it was going to happen, but I didn't think it was going to be that higher probability. That's why I didn't go for it. Sometimes I take in those liquidity grab, like in this case, but not in this case I didn't. So anyway, so what was I saying? So I don't remember what was I saying. Guys, if you're trying to text, I gotta be honest, I don't know how to put the OBS studio with the chat next to it on YouTube. I had it before. I don't know what happened. It's not there now. I don't know what happened, and I don't know how to put it back in. Maybe do a reset and see. But I don't want to stop the training today. Maybe for tomorrow. But if you have any question, please ask. Anyway, so yeah, while you're trading this, don't risk your money. Of course, don't. I don't advise that unless you are about, I want to say at least 65% to 70% winning streaks. Then I would say, hey, maybe it's time for you to try prop firm. And your winning rate cannot be just one time you hit 70% win, because that could happen. 70% win could be you took 5 trades and you won 3. But I think that's 70%. Or you won 4. You know, that's not really a good large enough sample. I'm talking about 7-8 months where you're constantly hitting 65-70% winning rate, and keep track of how much money in sim is actually generating. And then once you have all that, and you have those numbers, they give it a prop firm. Try to go with one contract at a time. Nice and easy. When you see the profit, you see the levels. Either you move their stop to that level, to a medium level, and wait for it to play it out, or just take the profit out. Nothing wrong with securing the bag. As you saw today, I think I didn't lose any. I closed one to a minus $50, and I just closed it a little bit late, but I really was thinking of closing it. So trying to talk for you guys. I don't know. If you have any questions, let me see if I can go online again. I don't know how to do that shit either. And I'm 50 years old, brothers. I don't know how to do anything. And by the way, I was playing yesterday. I went live and I was playing because I was doing messing with my chart like I do every night. I mess with my chart, see probability were out there, and see the same probability that I see last night I can see today. And most of the times they do match. Like today was matching. Anyway, so I decided to play a little chess, and I went live and I got my ass whooped. And I posted it. I went live, so I left it there. So yeah. I might try that again. because I like playing chess. Chess is good. And another thing I heard, there has never been a chess player with dementia. Now we have thousands of chess players, thousands and thousands of chess players. None of them with dementia. Maybe the sample's not big enough, but it's a good thing. So if you want to keep your sanity, if you want to keep your mind, play chess. Don't have to get all that good. I mean, I'm aiming to hit at least 1200. If I can hit 1200, maybe in 50, and just started playing chess, I'll be happy with that 1200 range. I think it gives me good games out there, that it keeps me happy, keeps me in the game. You know, right now I'm at 960. I broke 1,000 a few times, but I got my ass whooped really fast down to 900. So thousands are a little bit tough because they're considered intermediate. Under 1,000, you still amateur. So, and I don't want to be amateur. I don't like being amateur. I like being intermediate. I don't want to be pro either. Anyway, so you know, again, this level's coming in nice and hot. We might be done with going up. On the higher time frame, it's already been pinched, and it looks like on the higher time frame, looks like the fast EMA is about to cross the slow EMA. The yellow is the fast, the green is the slow EMA. So you could figure it out that already. So I don't think we have any longer enough trend. By the way, we do have divergence. We have divergence here. You can see. I didn't notice that, by the way. And we have it clearly right here. I didn't notice that either. I wasn't looking for it. So that's a good indication we might be done going up. Going down, we have all this ginormous target. Beautiful places to go. We do have a lot. And we have the second deviation right on the VWAP. I wish we had another level here. Which we did. Let me see. Zero. Not low. Let me see what does this. See what this does. Let's see. Nothing. How about here? See what I find over here. Which is over here. Can I trust it? Not really. Not much. There's nothing here. There's nothing there. We do have a naked POC down here. Is it naked? Yeah, it's naked. We have a naked POC down here. By the way, naked POC is, you see this level from this day here. I forgot how to do that. Well, anyway, so on this day here, we have a POC that was never touched. That's a naked POC. So I mark it here, naked POC, because I had to mark it because that line by itself will not show up over here. So I had to mark it. This is interesting. Look at that. This is what happened. I must be talking so much shit. I could have taken that. This is a good level. We got PP level right here. There's a pivot point. Oh wow. And we're about to hit it, but this is absolutely beautiful right here. I would love to jump in, but that would be stupid because that's just, I could easily get stuck and lose all my money. Wow. I just said this is, I just said this was juicy. Holy crap. Went right through it. Second deviation. Second deviation to the rescue. Wow, what a day, huh? Technically, it's not much of a day. We're still in this range here, but I think we're gonna keep on going down. Let me see something real quick. Okay, overnight low. Possibility overnight low. And this is a good indication right in the middle of this opportunity zone. We have the open range. We have not too far off from this, so just gotta be careful because we just went to the PP level. We passed it. We came back. We were on top of it. We might come up here to this level before we keep on going down. That's why recognizing your levels and what happens close to those levels is crucial, so you don't get stuck. I've gotten stuck many times too, but hopefully you guys don't get stuck. And it's 10:40, so pretty soon will be, as you know, my record after 11, I give most of my money, if not all my money back. Apparently after 11, I turn into a pumpkin and I can't do trades. So, going down, maybe. That's a good candle, but we're so close to this level. It's a problem. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I think we might go down here. The next level is over there, but I seriously doubt it. I mean, it could get there, but I don't think we're gonna get there in one shot. But the reason I put in there just in case it decides to, like it there here. Take one there just in case. Plus, it's close to 11. Happens here. If it breaks here, it should jump probably to this level somewhere around here. Probably somewhere around here. If it breaks all this, there it is. I think it's going. Probably not. Probably not. There it is. Damn it. Oh, okay. Okay, baby. Come on, you know you want some more. And there you go, guys. You see what I mean? If you guys pay attention, this it will come your way. If you pay attention, the trades will come your way. Let me take all the indicators and the drawing off. TP level, what I was seeing, but my main concern was this one here. We didn't get there, but good old training, my man. That's it. Good old trading. Good trading ideas. I don't have any more. Overnight low, like I said, we might get there. Maybe. I don't know. There is a naked POC right here. Pretty good. Yeah. We have a naked POC. It's a possibility we might get there. Maybe, maybe not. As far as I'm concerned, I might be done. There you have it. That's how you do it, guys. This is it. Just have a trade idea and go for it. I mean, don't go for it crazy. You know, formulate an idea based on what you see, and then see if the candles and indicators support your idea. Then you trade. But you gotta have a trade idea. You cannot just, well, I think it's gonna go down. No, you need to have a target. It's crucial. More important than anything else is having a target. Where the market's gonna go and how is it gonna react along the way. Along the way. You saw me putting let me see. You saw me, I came over here and I said I'm expecting a big reaction somewhere around here. And we got that reaction. Then so I moved my stop there and then kept on down, then I went a little bit lower. Then it caught me out. But again, I was expecting a reaction here, got a reaction over here, and that's what happened. The reason I took out one of my contract early is because we were still crossing all this. And I said, hey, it can still go back up and then come off here. So I took one of my risk out, but let the other one and fade out. So that's all I try to do, man. Some simple trading, simple reading of the market. That's it. I know I have a lot of indicators and I have a lot of lines, but they're there for a reason. I know it's hard to see the candles. I've seen other people with the bare bones. This, I don't know how to make a trade with that shit. I have to see everything there is so I can make an informed decision. So I can see where the possibility for a bounce might occur, and if I want to even travel through that or not. So, but that's what's up, guys. Yeah, I don't can't take any more trades because I don't know where we're going, and we're close to 11 o'clock. So, and if you know my record after 11, I give all my money back. I don't want to do that today. I don't want to do that again. So I learned my lesson. Learn it. Learn my lesson. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. Hopefully you learned something from me. And we'll see you